We're ready, rolling.
Ready to rock, ready to roll. Yeah, there you go. A little bit.
There you go.
You and me both need to be in there.
It is both of
It
is both of your guys' YouTube channel.
Turn right onto Otay Lakes Road.
Quiet.
All right, welcome back.
Welcome back. Oh, I already did that number, so I don't want to do that one. So in this video, you are going to see that Chloe, our daughter, she takes over the camera and she does some videoing of us just kind of hanging out with our friends for a time. You'll see us leave Solitude Canyon.
Mm-hmm.
You'll see us arrive at Wilderness Lakes.
A little tour of Wilderness Lakes.
A little bit of a touring of Wilderness Lakes. I think we do some miniature golf.
Oh, yeah.
And
We won't tell you who the winner is yet?
Nope. You'll see it though. And so keep watching to figure out who won the miniature golf out of the three
And
of
somebody
us.
gets a hole-in-one.
Somebody does get a hole in one.
That wasn't filmed.
That wasn't filmed. No, of course not. So it apparently didn't happen. No, there's witnesses. So two of us are witnesses for one of us. And then, so watch all the way to the end to see where we're at right now.
Turn right onto
And-
Otay Lakes Road.
That might give it away. If anybody has been here and knows the name of that road.
Every 20 miles.
Yeah,
like
and that's until you need one.
Right.
Yeah.
I
I
downloaded
an app called Rest Stops about 3 years ago,
Yeah.
and they don't make it anymore. But it shows wherever you're at, it shows every single rest stop.
That was the one nice thing in the
Which is-
motorhome
which
is
is
I could just run to the back and pee
Yeah.
and make a sandwich. But now we just
Yeah, that was
make
nice.
it ahead of time.
And with my truck, I mean, I think your fuel tank's a little bit bigger than mine. But
48, yeah.
yeah, see, I'm at 36, even with a dually here. But
Yeah.
I mean, by the time I'm needing diesel, it's about the time I need to go to that.
Yeah.
Honestly.
I mean, look,
It's like-
I do not let that thing.
We
It's
don't have to
rare
let
we
go
go
of half.
below
when it gets to a
half.
half,
Yeah,
it's
that's
like,
what I'm-
all right, I need to start thinking about it in the next
Yep.
20, 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And I very rarely let it get to a quarter.
Yeah,
Very
same.
rarely.
Yeah, unless we're just local and not towing.
Yeah.
That's about
No,
the
even
only time.
then- even
That's
then
about
I
the
don't.
only time ours might get to a quarter.
Oh yeah, we've been down to a couple miles before not towing.
Not towing,
But
never
towing,
towing.
yeah.
Yeah.
As soon as that thing hits half, I'm looking like get on the gas buddy and
Yep.
find the spot.
Then usually she'll have just started her little passed out passenger nap. And, hey, hon, time to wake up. I need fuel.
I have a hard time falling asleep when other people drive.
But oh, wait a minute now. Wait a minute now.
When you
Except
drive,
when you drive.
No. That's not.
you said I have a hard time
Well,
falling
Yeah.
asleep.
When I drive, I am
When
right
you're
to
driving
bed.
around like that.
I am out.
I mean, when I'm the passenger.
So funny, just the way you said it.
But there's no way that could be perceived.
Yeah.
True. No.
All right, Penny. Are you ready?
Oh, honey. I'm making the bed. This is the way I have found that I can get my blankets up the best if I get way up here in the bed. So, there's a tip for you. Climb up into your bed to make it.
T-minus 2 hours until departure. How are things coming out here?
Well, they're coming along. Just a move day.
Move day, T-minus 2 hours.
Yeah, somewhere around there. Just trying to take care of our chairs and stuff real quick.
Here's been our spot for the past almost 2 weeks.
Flushing tanks.
Flushing tanks.
So this was our spot at.
That's
where
what I
we at?
just said.
Then I will say nothing more.
Well, no,
Just
you're
kidding.
fine. Keep going.
It's been okay.
Yeah.
The weather's been great.
Yeah, weather's been awesome.
Train right there, but it's alright. It's not too bad, other than the freight train.
Train. Doo-doo.
That one gets kind of annoying. How was your stay here, Chloe?
It was good.
Yeah.
Enjoyed the sun. Enjoyed the sun for sure, for sure. And there's Penny. Hi, baby girl. Has she been fed?
She is not. We don't normally feed her on move days because she gets
Antsy.
very anxious and she doesn't usually want to. She won't usually eat when we've tried with
Okay.
that, so usually we just.
Walk.
Yeah, you can try to walk her. May want to wait because
Okay.
she wants to get in the truck as soon as she can.
Okay.
So we try to wait because we still got quite a bit of time yet before we're gonna leave.
Yeah.
Can you come back here for a minute?
Yep. Who else has dogs that gets a little antsy on move days? It's our big question. Or my big question.
Behind you, my little pull-up.
Where are we going?
We're going to Menifee, Thousand Trails, called Wilderness Lakes. We haven't been yet, so
I think that was 5.
we've heard it's like a homeless camp, so hopefully it's not.
I don't know what that bang was. If he wants me to do it again or keep
No,
going.
you keep doing a few more. I always do more than he asks for.
Okay.
Or maybe the banging is stop.
Stop. Right? Well, I'm blaming you. What are these things?
Those are the bars that go in the fridge. Here, we can do those. Everybody got what they need out of the fridge?
There's a good this or that.
What's that?
Do you let your fridge hang?
Without bars,
Hang
they get barred
loose?
up.
Yep. So, they're just tension bars, so we just put them in the fridge like this.
Penny. Come here.
And it helps
Keep everything in place.
keep everything in place.
So when you go to open the fridge, when you
Yeah.
get to a new spot, you're not catching the mozzarella and the milk and the
That's right.
spaghetti and the grapes and whatever else you may have in your fridge.
So this, I got that.
And we're off.
On the road again.
On the
We
road
gotta turn music out
again.
so we don't get copyrighted. I got copyrighted again on the last one, did I?
Did you? No, you did not.
Even after I followed the procedures.
Interesting.
I think this back angle is great for you guys.
Is
Yeah?
that right?
Yeah.
The back of our heads.
Yeah.
Well, we're all hooked up. Leaving ahead of schedule. Rob and Trish are ready to rock and roll.
Head but behind. We called in, so we were planning 10:30. Called an audible for 10. And no, it's 10 after 10. It's close enough. Close enough for government work, which actually used to be a good thing to say back in World War II. Honestly.
Goodbye, Thousand Trails.
I was gonna say we could probably.
Well, we made it, guys.
We did. So we gotta go that way. She said 7?
Yeah.
Oh, it's an N one, Chloe.
Ooh-wee. How long does it usually take you guys to find your spot?
So I don't know how to. I guess I gotta go this way. I can a little bit.
Oh, I don't know. I think there's still room for you to get the deck down there.
I think it's perfect. If anyone wants to know my opinion.
I know, Chloe's already with the video on that.
Sorry, not sorry? Amy almost gets taken out by chicken.
Geese?
Geese, whatever.
What are we doing?
We're walking? What are you doing?
I'm walking. Recording you.
Creeper.
Yeah. It's been a couple days since we've gotten this thing out.
Yeah, actually, it's Chloe. The last time it was out, Chloe was recording us.
Yeah. So where are we at?
So we're at Yosemite?
Nope.
No. That's where we were.
Wilderness Lakes.
We haven't been
Wilderness
to Yosemite for a couple of stops now.
We were just watching these.
Lakes. We were, and I have my Yosemite hat on.
Yeah, Wilderness Lakes.
In Menifee, California.
Yeah, and we've been here for several days now.
Yeah. It's actually a really nice park. So
We
it's
like it.
1,000
I like
trails.
it. It is 1,000 trails.
We should maybe take a little tour of it because when we tried to find a video, there wasn't
Anything
many
recent?
currents.
Yeah. So yes, we, as most of you know, we are 1,000 Trails members, and that's one of the things that we try to utilize a lot to afford this lifestyle.
Yep.
And we've got our baby girl Chloe with us still. She'll be with us until we get back to Washington sometime next year, probably in the springtime. But we thought we would walk over and check out miniature golf course.
Yeah, it looks like a fairly decent one. I know most 1,000 trails have mini golfs, but
A lot of times they're run down and
yeah.
decrepit and
Stuff all
ill
over.
cared for.
Right. But this one seems to be pretty nice.
Yeah.
I think you and I played one in Texas. We did.
Yep. All right. We'll get over there and see what's going on. We found the place to get the putters. Got some balls. I'm not sure where hole 1 is at.
You know where they
That's compared to 4 or 19 or anything else. So this is one. So is it that one? And then
Yeah.
maybe we just follow it around?
Sure.
All right. Let's get our golf on. We're gonna get some epic golf shots too. All right, after the front 9, scores Chloe is 28, Mom's at 26, and I'm at 25. So I'm in the lead by 1 stroke.
One stroke.
Only 1 stroke. So it's anybody's game.
Anybody?
Anybody's game. All right, the scores are in. I didn't win. I lost. Chloe got 55, which is pretty good. You had some really good shots. I had 56, so she beat me by 1 stroke. And then her mother got a 53, so we were all really, really close.
I had a hole in one though.
Yeah, you did. That was a lot of fun. All right, we'll go see what else we can get in trouble with.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
So close.
We're packing up.
We're packing up. That's the last time you filmed.
I know.
When we're packing up. So where are we off to?
Pio Pico.
Yep. Just down the outskirts of.
San Diego.
Yeah, we've had a pretty good time here at Wilderness Lakes.
I think we've had a blast. Other than the rain.
Yeah, the weather was pretty icky the last few days or so.
We got Lake Zimmer out here.
Yeah, we've had waterfront property.
There's the ducks and the geese. And
Picking up our Blox Max and our Blox pads. So you don't need to have the snap pads on with those because they fit right in. Your jacks fit right into the holes of the Blox.
Ox Blocks, Big Ox.
Blox. Yep. We have a code for Blox. You can put it in there somewhere. Well, I believe they're made out of recycled
Oxes?
oxes. Recycled plastics of some sort, I think. Jim's gonna hook up so we can be on our way.
And just like that, it's on. Unlike Donkey Kong. He doesn't usually ever miss. He's a one-try kind of guy.
Not always.
I said almost always.
But I will say, you can retract all, number one. And number two, it drives me bat poo crazy when I see the partner in between the back of the truck and the trailer to line up.
No.
That's a danger zone. Don't stinking do it.
No.
You lose points with me if you do that.
Yeah, I never stand back
Even
there.
I know better.
Hope everybody enjoyed that video. We are now in, where are we at?
Pio Pico.
Pio Pico. So tune in next week, or next 2 weeks, I don't know, for our next video to find out what we've been up to and where we're going next after this. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and share it. All right, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.